Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over a traveling time step. So this is actually a traveling single time step. I will soon put out videos on the double and the triple traveling time steps, but for now, we're going to start with the single. I've seen these done a couple different ways. This was the way that I personally learned them. So that happens a lot in tap, that things as they are taught and learned tend to get changed somewhere. So sometimes two people might, both say that they know the traveling time step, but they're different ways of doing them. So this is just the version that I learned. If you know them a different way, that's great. We're both right. Nobody's wrong. It's just the different versions that that were taught as things change through history. So enjoy. We're going to learn the single traveling time step here today. So the traveling time steps use the traditional time step where it starts with a shuffle. So if you don't know the traditional time step yet, I would recommend learning those first. Those are in my time steps playlist, and you can find that in my description box below, the link to that. So traditional time sets start with that shuffle, right? So we're going to start with a shuffle, and we're going to start with a shuffle on our right foot. So we're going to go shuffle step on the right. From here, left foot's going to go shuffle, ball change, ball change. So this is the main traveling part. This is where we're shifting now to the right. So shuffle, ball change, ball change. From here, weight is on the right foot. You're going to hop. Then you're going to step over to your left. And then shuffle step on the right. Okay? Now, as you'll see, we're now switching to the left. Now that means that we're going to be traveling to the left. And I'll show you a way where you can continue going to the right in just a minute. But I'm going to teach you the left side here as well first. So let's go over the right side just one more time here. So it's a shuffle step. Shuffle, ball change, ball change. You're going to hop on your right. Step over. Shuffle, step on the right. Now, left side is going to do the exact same thing. Shuffle step, shuffle, ball change, ball change. You're going to hop on your left, step over to your right, shuffle step. Okay? So let's try those two in a row, and then I'll teach you how to continue going to the right if you actually wanted to do these across the floor. All right, here we go. Starting on the right, and then we'll switch to the left. 5, 6. Oh, I forgot to also mention it starts on 8, because that's usually how time steps are done. So it starts on 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, ball change, we hop. Step, shuffle, left. Ball change, we hop. Step, shuffle, step. Okay? That was a little bit fast. Let's try that again. Starts on 8. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, hop, step, to the left, shuffle, step, ball change, hop, step, shuffle, step. Okay? Now, if you wanted to continue going to the right with these and not just going back and forth, right to left side, you're going to start on your right foot, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, on this hop. You're going to turn over your left shoulder to face the back. Okay? Now, my feet are on the wrong side from what you're looking at. So now, here's my left foot. We're going to continue that. We just hopped over our left shoulder. We're going to continue now with our left foot, continuing to the right. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change to face back to the front. You're going to hop on your left now, turning over your right shoulder, and then step, and then shuffle step on the left. And then you can just really keep going with it. Then you're back to your right foot, and you can just keep going to the right side. So the main part is that you're doing half turns on that hop. And that's what allows you to continue in one direction. So from here again, starting on the right, we would go shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, we hop, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, ball change, hop and turn, step, shuffle, step. Okay? Does that make sense? Let's try that again. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Ball change, we hop, step, shuffle, step, hop and turn. And then you would just keep going with it, okay? So it would be the same thing if you wanted to go back to the left, except now you're just starting on the left foot. So shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. Now hop is on the left, which means we will be turning over the right shoulder. So we're going to turn over the right shoulder, step over, shuffle, step. Now you're going to continue on the right. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. You're hopping on the right, so you're turning over your left shoulder. Step over, shuffle, step. Okay? So whichever shoulder you turn over, it's usually the opposite of what foot you're on. So if we are on the left, we're turning over the right shoulder. And if we're on the right, we're turning over the left shoulder. Hopefully I didn't get those mixed up at any point. Okay, let's try a little bit faster here. So, I'm not going to turn them. I'm just going to do them straight across just so you can see how they're done faster. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Starting on 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Hop, step, shuffle, step. Okay, let's do 4 in a row. Let's give it a try. A little bit faster, 4 in a row. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay, does that make sense? Nicely done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song suggestion or a step suggestion, let me know down in the comments section below, and I will try to get to those as soon as possible. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.